Hi guys, welcome back to my amazing kitchen. My name is Abba. In today's video, we are making something simple and delicious. We are making some granola. So come along and let's get right into the video. So for our granola, we'll be needing some rolled oats, and I will leave all the ingredients with the measurements in the description box down below. To it, I'm adding some chopped almonds, which you can sub with your favorite nuts, some pumpkin seeds, a little bit of salt, some cinnamon powder, and some coconut flakes. To flavor our granola, we are going to add the zest of 2 oranges. This will make our granola very fragrant. Now add some coconut oil, which you can sub with some olive oil. We are going to add some honey as well, and you can also replace the honey with some maple syrup or any sweetener of your choice. Finally, add about half a tablespoon of some vanilla extract and give it a good mix. You need to take your time and give it a good stir because you want everything in your bowl to be well moistened with the honey and coconut mixture. This will also help to distribute the orange zest, the cinnamon, and the salt very well. Transfer everything onto a lined baking sheet and spread it out very well. It is very important to line your baking sheet or your granola is going to stick to your baking tray once it caramelizes in the oven. Now transfer your baking sheet into a preheated oven and bake this for about 25 to 30 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. After baking this for about 15 minutes, I'm going to take it out of the oven and give it a quick stir and put it back into the oven. This will ensure even cooking on all sides of the tray. Press it down and pop it right back into your oven and bake this for an additional 10 minutes. And voila! Here we are with our delicious granola. At this point, my kitchen is smelling so divine. Your granola will not come out of the oven crunchy. This will happen after your granola has completely cooled down, so do not overbake it. Stir everything together and allow to cool down completely if you don't like granola with clusters. But if you do, don't stir it just yet. Just allow everything to cool down completely untouched before you try to separate it. So doing it this way will give you big clusters. So if you like granola that sticks together, this is how to get it. It works for me every single time. I usually make one pot with clusters and one pot without. The choice is entirely up to you. To finish off my granola, I'm going to add some raisins and some more coconut flakes for color. Mix it well to combine the raisins and the coconut flakes and allow this to cool completely before you store this in an airtight container. So until I come your way next time with another amazingly delicious recipe, thank you so much for watching guys, and see you in my next video. Bye!